Today is the 4th of July, and though the warehouse is not running, pickup is still running. And we always advertise that we'll do pickup in store, and you wonder what does that mean? That means that when you buy your things them at a store like Best Buy, you reach out to us and we tell you which Best Buy to shop and set up an in-store pickup, and we'll drive the car out to Best Buy. We'll come out here, we'll pick up your items. This is a fair size order because there's still fridge and stove and other things to come back and pick up, so it's gonna make 2 trips because we have this small truck today because it's the 4th of July, it's a holiday, and so we're still running the holiday pickups though the warehouse is closed today to receive package. We're still running the pickup, so that's what that means. It means that we'll come out, we'll get all your good things them and make sure it gets to your doorstep. I think these are going to Falmouth, so you'll most likely see the delivery videos with these going to Falmouth when we're dropping them off in Falmouth. So if you want to stay in Canada, England, Cayman Islands, Bermuda, Bahamas, wherever you want to stay, you want to shop online, you want to buy your things, you want to make sure they don't get shipped and get beat up, because I know you don't want to ship it at 75-inch TV. You'd rather us go in the store and pick it up? Yeah, we'll do that for you, right? As I said before, it's the 4th of July today. It's like 5 o'clock in the evening, the 4th of July. We're rolling with a small truck, so yeah, we have that all tape and bungee. We're just going across the road. Just so you know, this Best Buy right here is just across the road from our warehouse. So we're just loading this double door ice maker and this range stove. As you can see, everything is nice and protected. There goes the ice maker in the front. So when you want to ship your big things, them go online and shop. Our zip code is 33071. Shop at stores that are close to our zip code within 20 miles. We go in store, we do the pickup of the big things them. Go, bring it to the warehouse. Right, the warehouse is literally just across the street over there. So, I went over and opened up the warehouse just to put these things in, so when the guys come in the morning and start processing, it's easy work. So again, no matter where you are, whether you're in England, Canada, Cayman, Bahamas, anywhere you are, residing inside of Jamaica or outside of Jamaica, you go online, you make your purchase. You've been in England, we don't need to have an address in England or a warehouse in England. The internet is one, the world is one, everything is globalized. Shop online from anywhere and get your things shipped directly to the doorstep down a yard.